shave your armpits, your legs, and your mustache? She's 25, guys. 25 years old. That's very nice. And do you have boyfriend?
I don't have boyfriend since birth.
Oh my God. Since birth. I'm very curious now how your armpit looks like, your armpits. Is it okay if you don't mind? It's okay if you can say no, but if you don't mind, can you show us your armpits? I'm just very curious, guys.
Okay.
Okay, can you just go like this?
Yes, who shaved their like
Their hair.
yes.
Hair wear. Why are you laughing? Are you thinking of something? Hi everyone. This video is to show you the differences between cultures. Studies show that the majority of women from Western world, they shave their legs, their mustaches, their armpits. But how about the ladies here in the province of the Philippines? Well, let's find out. Okay. Mom, do you shave your armpits, your legs, and your mustache?
Yes, as a woman, yes, I already shaved my hair and armpit to become a clean and also mas aliwa. And I know this is one of my insecurities, but if um if my armpit is clean, is I also have a confidence with that. Yes.
How about your legs? Do you shave your legs, mom?
No. Yes, because my hair and legs is a little bit uh, have a hair. That's why I never shave my legs.
How about your mustache?
I yes, my must. I have, but I never. I know I never shaved that because my mom told me if I shave it, it will grow.
Oh, it's gonna grow thicker.
Yes.
That's very common. I don't know if it's just a superstitious or there's really scientific, like explanation about that. But here in the province, I even heard that from my parents that once you shave, like for example your legs, you shaved it. When the hair grows, it's going to be thicker than the usual. So, but I think it's also like common for us, like Filipinos. I don't know, maybe others are different, but I've never seen or very seldom to see someone like, a Filipino with so much hair, especially on their legs and their arms. Very seldom. So you're the second person now that I interviewed that you didn't shave your leg as well, only armpits.
Armpits. Yes.
Even me, guys, I don't really shave my legs. Only my armpits as well. And then my thing here, because you can see a little bit of hair. But yeah.
You shave your too?
Yes. Sometimes. Sometimes, but not every time because what do you call this? My hair is not really that dark and it's not that, like it's not visible like that.
Yeah.
But yours, you don't really do that.
No. No.
Okay. Do you think it is what do you call this? Hygienic to remove the hairs in our, in armpits, legs, mustache?
I think yes. If we shave our hair in our armpit, it is
Hygienic.
hygienic. Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it common for Filipinas to shave here in the province? And when did you start shaving?
Um, since when I was high school, syempre I of course they start growing. That's why I shave it. And I know this as a Filipino, common of us a start shaving our armpit, hair in our armpit, and also I don't know if other is
Doing the same
doing
thing.
the same thing. Yes.
But you started it. You started shaving it when you were in high school.
Well, yes.
Okay, I think almost all of us, right? High school.
If you see your crush, oh my god.
Yes, that's very common too, right? High school. You start to have like a crush and you were like, oh, I want to look nice. Yes. And then some friends of yours, they start teasing you now, right? Those age, they start teasing you like, oh, I saw you have hair like
They
that.
bully you.
Yes. So, high school, you start shaving. Is it common for Filipinas to shave here in the province?
Yes, in our coastal, yes, they also shave their armpits. I have also a best friend. So she say that you need to shave your hair and your armpit because if they s- if they gonna see the other people, they give a funny but
They make fun of you.
yes, they make fun of you. That's
I see. Okay. But your best friend, she doesn't shave her legs.
no, but my gay friends, yes.
Do you think it's not very common for us, provinciana, province Filipinas, to not shave our legs? What do you think so? Do you think it's not common?
I think so.
Only our armpits, right?
Yes, armpits.
Okay. Do you think there are a lot of men out there that find all natural ladies that do not shave very attractive?
I think I will not the other man, but nowadays there's a lot there's a lot man must they want a clean armpit because they have a standard.
How about clean legs?
Um yes also because you know men
Do you think men also care about mustache?
um maybe, but the other men, I know they if they like have a mustard. Yes.
Okay. So, last question, ma'am. Last question. Okay. Do you like your man hairy or not hairy?
I think hairy. Um
Okay. Why is that? Every time I ask this question, okay, so you like him hairy.
ah
You like him hairy.
yes. I like him. I like him na ano.
Oh my goodness.
Hairy in the armpit but clean in face.
Oh, no beard, no mustache.
Ah,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. I see. Okay. Anyway, she's just I like her so much. You're fun.
I like you that.
Oh my goodness. Okay. She already graduated in college. What course you took again?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Tourism management. Really good, right? And she's also from PSU, one of the, well-known school here in Goa. Good school, PSU. Do you shave your armpits, legs, and mustache?
Sometimes I shave my armpit, but my legs doesn't have any hair. That
You're one of the, luckiest.
very feminine.
Yes, that's true. Feminine. How about your mustache? Do you shave your mustache?
I don't have any.
Yes, I can tell. She doesn't really have any hair.
This one.
Good thing you have hair on your head, right? Okay. So you only remove hair from your armpits, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is it common for Filipinas to shave here in the province? And when did you start shaving?
When I was 17, I think.
17 years old?
Yes.
How old are you now?
I am 22.
You don't look like you're 22.
Well, thank you.
If you won't tell me your age, I guess you're like 17 years old. That's one thing that Filipinas are, like it's a good thing about Filipinas because we're tiny and people tend to like they think that we're young, but we're not. Okay. So when you were 17 you start removing your hair, right? From your armpits. Okay. Okay. Why is that? Is it for hygiene or you just want to or
I think it's for my hygiene.
That's why you're removing it.
Yes.
Okay. So you're not like I'm sure I have to remove this. People are, looking at my armpits with my long hair.
It's part of it.
Okay. So it's for hygiene. That's why you removed it. Okay. Is it common for Filipinas to shave here in the province?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think there's a lot of men out there that find all natural ladies that do not shave very attractive?
I think it is rare because at some point, mostly of the
Guys,
guys here is more attractive to the
to what? To women who
yes, who shave their
like their hair,
Yes.
hair wear. Why are you laughing? Are you thinking of something? Women who shave their hair, right? From where?
armpit.
Armpits and
Um
legs and mustache, right?
yes.
I see. Yeah, just to make things clear, okay? Because you're laughing, it's like you're thinking something. Okay. Anyway, okay. So, how do you like your man? Hairy or not hairy?
Not hairy.
Not hairy. I see.
Yes.
We have here a very beautiful Filipina. Very beautiful. I really like her. Okay. Do you shave your armpits, legs, and mustache?
No, I don't shave ever in my life.
And
Never.
how old are you?
I'm 25.
Very impressive, right? Wow. Now, I'm very curious now how your armpit looks like, your armpits. Is it okay if you don't mind? It's okay if you can say no, but if you don't mind, can you show us your armpits? I'm just very curious, guys.
Okay.
Okay, can you just go like this if you don't mind? Yeah. Let me see. Okay, can you please? Oh my goodness, guys. It is clean. There's a little bit hair, but it's not really like visible, like not very dark, right? Wow. And how come your hair is very thick and very dark, but the hair from your armpit, they're very like they're not as dark as your hair from hair.
Yeah, because I believe if you pluck your hair and then you use the shaving, right?
Tweezer or the wax.
If you use the shaving method, any part of your body, I think it makes the
Hair.
hair when it grows, it looks darker.
Darker and
I-
thicker.
yeah. That's why I don't shave my hair. I shave it once and then I see the result. It's like the darker hair and then I never do it again. I just let it grow and then it falls.
It falls.
Yes.
Wow, just like teeth.
And I'm also not using any deodorant products. I'm using natural.
natural what?
Yes. I'm using lemon.
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 That's why your armpit is just like your skin color, your usual skin color. It's not dark, it's not even white.
Use any products na like roll-ons or 'cause I also don't like the it's the color and the smell of deodorant. That's why I use calamansi.
So that means you are like all natural.
Yes, all natural.
Very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. I've never met anyone like you, like never someone that never shaved their hair, like from their legs or from their armpits. I mean, your armpits you did once, but when was it? When did you shave your
I remember is when I was in high school.
high school? Okay.
I also use some products like the deo powder, not the deodorant na yung cream or yung parang sobrang thick.
Deo powder only and then lemon.
Yes.
That's very nice. 25 years old, never tried shaving. But your legs, it's not like hairy, right?
It also has
It
a
has hair.
like
Like, oh yeah, 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 she has hair. Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
I also like a little bit hair. I don't like shaving talaga.
Oh,
I don't like shaving. I
wow.
wanted to have a something, you know.
Like hair.
Yes.
Why are you trying to ponytail your
No. I just find it's like
beautiful,
yes.
natural, beautiful?
I don't want to shave. Even also if I have a budget, I will not. I will never go to salons or whatever whenever they have like hair.
That's very nice. And you're so pretty. Very pretty. You're welcome. Very pretty. I thought she's like 18 years old, 19, and then I was like, wow, she's 25, guys. 25 years old. That's very nice. And do you have boyfriend?
I don't have boyfriend since birth.
Oh my god. Since birth. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm all over places now. Okay. Um do you think there are a lot of men out there that find all natural ladies, like you, that do not shave, very attractive?
I think yes, there's still a man that likes a ladies who never shave. And I mean in some part of the country, another country, or here in Philippines. I think there's still a man that would love a girl who is hairy or
Oh,
have a natural hair.
okay.
I really believe.
Yes, of course. There's always
If I were a man, I would love a girl that
has
has
hair.
hair
Beautiful.
because
Very.
it's natural.
Oh. So, how do you like your man? Hairy or not hairy?
A little bit hairy, of course, but not too too many.
Not too many. Why? Are you scared?
No,
Why?
no. I just if it's too hairy, of course, it's a little bit for the man, but for girls, I think it's pretty.
It's pretty.
But if I were to ask, I would like a man who is not that hairy.
Hairy but not too much.
Yes,
Okay. A man with beard, mustache, like
it's
that.
okay with me.
Really?
Yes,
Oh, that's very nice.
yes, it's natural.
It's natural.
I love naturals.
Of course, yes. We know that very in the very beginning. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription, and thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Okay, thank you.
Beautiful reflections